Top full-frame cameras for 2023. Capture every detail. Hello everyone. So today, we've broken down the top 6 products in the business, so it will be simple for you to pick out the correct option. If you enjoyed this video, a sub to the channel would be fabulous. Make sure to check the description below for more information and its latest pricing. Canon EOS R3. The Canon R3 is Canon's flagship mirrorless camera that offers an incredibly sharp 24-megapixel sensor, dual Pixel CMOS AF II, 30 FPS electronic shutter shooting, and top-notch video features. At its price, the R3 would only be for professionals or those who want the highest quality photos and videos. The Canon R3 features near unlimited recording as well, making it one amazing video camera. Of course, it features the Canon RF mount, making it compatible with all RF lenses and EF lenses using an adapter. One unique feature of the R3 is the ability to focus via your eye when looking through the viewfinder. If you're shooting sports, you can literally look at your subject through the viewfinder to set your focus point. Of course, you can still use traditional focus modes that are incredibly fast. The EOS R3 is a video star as well, assisted by an articulating touchscreen. It can capture 6K raw video internally at 60p with minimal rolling shutter. It's tough enough to travel too, thanks to its robust magnesium alloy build. Yes, the R3 offers more and is more expensive than most hobbyists will ever need. But it also sets a fresh benchmark for professionals who want a supremely speedy mirrorless camera. Panasonic LUMIX S5. One of the main advantages of the LUMIX S5 is its compact design, which makes it smaller and lighter than other full-frame cameras. This makes it relatively easy to carry it around, especially for outdoor shoots. The 24.2 megapixel sensor produces high-resolution images with great detail, and the fast 30 frames per second electronic shutter is perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects. Another advantage of the LUMIX S5 is its 96 megapixel multi-shot mode, which allows you to capture 8 separate exposures and merge them to create a single 96 megapixel RAW or JPEG file. This is especially useful for landscape photography, where you want to capture as much detail as possible in your images. There are also some disadvantages to the LUMIX S5. One of the main issues we encountered was with the autofocus system, which can be less intuitive than some rival systems. While it's still a good system, it may take some getting used to for those who are used to other autofocus systems. And the autofocus, while not quite up to the levels of Sony and Canon's latest full-frame, it's certainly better than Panasonic's previous incarnation. In fact, for video shooters who also need a large amount of stills, the LUMIX S5's only real rival at this price point is the incoming Sony A7C. Sony Alpha 1. The Alpha 1 is Sony's top-end full-frame digital camera, and it comes with a new 50.1 megapixel sensor that delivers exceptional image quality. The camera's advanced imaging pipeline and sensor design make it a strong contender for high-res photographers looking for a camera with excellent low-light capabilities. The autofocus system in the Alpha 1 is one of Sony's most impressive ever, offering fast and precise focusing, even when taking moving subjects. Additionally, the camera's buffer speed is incredibly fast, allowing you to capture up to 73 uncompressed raw images in 7.20 seconds. As such, some disadvantages to this Sony camera do need to be mentioned. First, the camera is quite expensive, making it out of reach for many photographers. Secondly, the camera's battery life is not as long as some of its competitors, so you may need to carry additional batteries when shooting for extended periods. Sony Alpha 7 IV. Being one of the best full-frame cameras, this model is an excellent choice for photographers who want a high-quality, high-resolution image capture device that can handle almost any photo or video situation. The A7 IV shoots video in 10-bit precision, which is a huge upgrade for video producers. It also has a wide dynamic range and good low-light performance. The autofocus system is based on machine learning and is designed to recognize different types of subjects, making it a real competitor with Canon's excellent EOS R6. The IAF and face recognition also work in video mode, which is a big plus for shooting action or interviews. However, there are some disadvantages to this mirrorless camera. It's relatively expensive and can't match some of its competitors' burst speeds or battery life. There's a lot to like about the Sony a7 IV, but it does have its flaws. Specifically, the battery life is a bit disappointing. You can get about 580 shots using only the rear screen, and the battery drains quickly when you shoot video. Every photographer should invest in an extra battery for their camera, but a7 IV users may want to go ahead and buy two. It's an excellent do-it-all camera that will suit any photo or video project. Leica M11. The M11 is a perfect camera for those who want to enjoy the high resolution offered by large sensors while still retaining the classic elements of their favorite film cameras. The backside illuminated full-frame CMOS sensor produces excellent image quality, and the triple resolution technology allows for a wide range of metering settings. The customizable function buttons and intuitive interface make it easy to use, and the 5 preset film styles and the option to create your own custom styles allow for creative control over your images. The redesigned status screen and the fully programmable function button are welcome additions that improve the camera's usability. However, there are a few disadvantages. The camera is quite expensive, which may not be affordable for everyone. Also, this full-frame 4K camera lacks image stabilization, which can be a problem for handheld shooting in low-light conditions. The M11 isn't quite perfect, but it's a real class act that can capture very sharp images in the right hands and subtly change the way you see, compose, and capture images. The Leica M11 might be the ultimate dream camera with a killer look, beautiful engineering, and superb lenses with their own unique Leica look. Nikon Z711. The Nikon Z711 FX format mirrorless camera body black is a high-performance camera designed for professional photographers and advanced enthusiasts. It features a full-frame 45.7 megapixel CMOS sensor, which delivers exceptional image quality with impressive dynamic range and low-light capabilities. The Z711 incorporates an advanced X-Speed 6 image processor, enabling fast and efficient performance and enhanced autofocus capabilities. It boasts a 493-point phase detection autofocus system, covering nearly the entire frame for precise subject tracking and sharp focus, even in challenging conditions. With an impressive native ISO range of 64 to 25,600, expandable to 32 to 102,400, the Z711 ensures excellent image quality across various lighting situations. It supports 4K UHD video, recording it up to 60p, allowing for stunningly detailed footage. The camera body is constructed with robust magnesium alloy, providing durability and weather sealing for use in harsh environments. It features a high-resolution electronic viewfinder and a tilting touchscreen LCD, offering versatile composition options. The Nikon 711 also incorporates dual memory card slots, CF Express, XQD, and SD, for versatile storage options and features a reliable battery life for extended shooting sessions. With its comprehensive features and outstanding performance, the Z711 is a powerful tool for photographers seeking exceptional image quality and versatility.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.